Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the best Notion features in 2025. Notion has been evolving rapidly, and this year they have added some game-changing tools that make productivity, collaboration, and AI integration smoother than ever. So if you are a Notion user or just curious about what's new, stick around because I'll break down the top features you should definitely know about. Feature number one, Notion AI 2.0. Notion's AI has leveled up big time in 2025. It now offers context aware suggestions that adapt to your writing style, automated project updates where it can summarize meeting notes, tasks, and deadlines into clean project briefs. And the coolest part, it can generate custom dashboards automatically based on your workflow. If you have never struggled with setting up Notion, this makes it easy than before. Feature number two, enhanced databases. Next, databases just got smarter. You can now create conditional database views, meaning the way your database looks can automatically change depending on who is viewing it or what stage your project is in. For example, a manager sees high-level progress while team members see their own tasks. This feature alone saves hours of manual filtering. Feature number three, real-time collaboration. Collaboration in Notion is smoother than ever. In 2025, Notion introduced real time multiplier editing, so you can see edits happening instantly, just like in Google Docs, but with Notion's flexibility. Plus, there is a new commenting and approval workflow, making it perfect for teams managing documents, wikis, or projects. Feature number four, custom workspaces. Another big one is custom workspaces. Instead of having just one default layout, you can now create workspace templates tailored for personal productivity, team collaboration, or even client facing dashboards. This is a game changer for freelancers and businesses because you can set up polished client portal in just a few clicks. Advanced integrations. Notion in 2025 is way more connected. With native integrations for tools like Slack, Google Calendar, Jira, and even Figma, you no longer need third party hacks. You can pull in data, sync updates, and manage everything directly inside Notion, making it the true all in one workspace it has always aimed to be. Feature number six, mobile and offline upgrades. And for mobile users, Notion finally fixed one of its biggest complaints. The mobile app is now faster, more responsive, and fully functional offline. You can edit databases and tasks and even work with AI without needing a constant internet connection. This makes Notion way more reliable for people on the go. Feature number seven, security and admin tools. For larger teams, advanced security controls are now available. Admins can get granular permissions, enable two-factor authentication across workspaces, and track activity logs for compliance. This makes Notion finally strong enough for enterprise-level companies. So those are the best Notion features in 2025: AI 2.0, smarter databases, real-time collaboration, custom workspaces, deeper integrations, offline mobile upgrades, and enterprise security. If you are already a Notion user, these updates are worth exploring. And if you are new, there has never been a better time to try it out. And now, tell me, what is your favorite new Notion feature? Drop it in the comments down below. And if you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.